morning everyone, respected principal ma'am, teachers and my dear friends. Today is a National Science Day. This day is celebrated in India every year on 28th Feb with a great enthusiasm. Okay students, but the question is there, why do we celebrate this day and all things here we will see in the whole program. Now I would request to principal ma'am, they will take the puja for this Dr. C.V. Raman. Now, students, as you know the importance of the day, why do we celebrate this day? Can anyone from your side? Yes?
On this day, the Raman effect was invented.
Yes, Raman effect was invented, and for this purpose, the discovery of the C.V. Raman was awarded a Nobel Prize in India in 1930. So it spread a message about the importance of science, which one is used in our daily life, and display the activities, efforts and the achievement in the science. Same way in schools and different universities and research institutions, it is celebrated all over the country, and it gives the opportunity to the scientific minded people to exhibit their projects and ideas all over the world. Thank you students. Now may I request the principal ma'am, they can speak few words about this great day. Good morning students.
Good morning, ma'am.
I hope so in our school the science day is not limited for the science day only. है ना? The new students, I think they will be also aware about after the long period of 2 years. Now we are present here in the school offline, and in our school the main motto every time whatever we have to learn, so each and everything we have to go by the practical knowledge only. Okay, so there will be so many projects we have to do now, and I have seen so many projects you have made at school also, and few of you made the project at home also, and the guidance of the teachers. Okay, yesterday just one of the students, she called her project is not working, but it's not like that. Every scientist, all the projects, it's working in the same day, है ना? Same time. The first time इसका ये हुआ है क्या? First time they have tried and the project is success? No. So if you are trying, it's a good thing. So we hope कि first time our project can run properly. But if not, so you have to try again and again. You have to think about it, and you have to try how we can work by this different way to work this project. So by this way you will learn the innovative things. Okay, and science means not like every time you have to be in the lab. I think so many of the students they think scientist means only those people, those are going to the space, they are scientists. Is it so? No, there are many scientists. The few scientists are working for the medicines, they are also called a scientist. Okay, the few scientists, those are working on the like day to day, many of the projects are there, many things are used, they are also scientists. So I want to be a youngest scientist of our school as well as our city, and just your progress I want every time we have to be in the first. Before 2 years we have one event we have arranged. That was a big event, and no one had arranged that kind of event in the Nasik before that day. Do you know about that event?
Yes.
STEM Fest. And now afterward, I think so you are not aware about this. Many of the schools, they are thinking for the same kind of fest actually. Okay, so this year also we are going to arrange a STEM Fest. It will be little bit early, and I want in this STEM Fest, the last time you had made a e-cycle. That time there is now recently there are many e-bikes running on the road, but that time there was no e-bike. the project was going on, but the e-bike made by you. Even I have seen the girls also, they have used the electric cutter, welding machines. So it, for the 7-8 class, this is the big achievement. And just think, for this year's STEM Fest, I want few more projects from your side. Just make the ideas, think about what can we do a different thing. We don't have to copy the any we don't have to copy to any of the schools. We don't have to copy any of the project which is already available in the on the YouTube. Okay? Think about yourself. Whatever you will think, just share your idea with your science teacher and me too. So this and this it is going in my mind. Definitely, in the next academic year, the robotics class will be there, and you will learn many more things. Okay? So I hope so. Not only for the school projects, you will be innovative for all the times, even at home also. Whenever you found your tap is leaking, so how to repair this? Just be ready for this. Few of the students knows that how to open the tap, as we have the project previously. So in this academic year, so we'll plan many more daily things that we have to learn. The making of robot is not only the robotics. The very small things are there. By that way, we can start our innovations. Okay? So आप लोग करोगे ये?
Yes.
सबको करना है?
Yes.
पर आवाज नहीं.
Yes.
Good thing. To everyone, happy Science Day. Okay? We'll go through by your projects. I hope so. The few of the project that project is not still it's in work in progress. Few of the projects, students' projects. So complete it today. If it is not possible to complete today, you may complete it this upcoming week. Okay?
Sure.
Definitely your teachers will help for the same. If you need help extra, so definitely me and Sir will be there along with you. Clear?
Yes.
Have a nice day all of you.
Make it smart snippets.
It is used for saving electricity and last year. Here is the sensor of our street light.
It's a light sensor. When there is a day, it detects it and turn off street lights. And when there is night, that street lights, the sensor detect that light and starts the lights. Thank you. This is rainwater purifier, and the rainwater collects here, and it's moved from this pipe to the rainwater purifier, and it turns into the good water. We can use the rainwater. So this is the muddy water, and this turns into good water. So we can use it. This is the water. The water purifier is working. It's purified the muddy water into the filter water.
When the water gets wet, we can use it for any other purposes like watering the trees or other cleaning utensils also. And this way we can conserve the water also.
My name is Anvesha Shrestha, class 7th. I am Prajakta Pradesh from class 8. We have made a vacuum cleaner with waste materials and some electronic devices. So our vacuum cleaner start with this switch. If we on the switch, then the air will come from this, and the air will suck inside the dust particles. Through the air, the dust particle goes inside the water. This is because the air this dust particle has collected here, and the air is coming in from this side because there are some holes here that air is sucked inside from this, and the air just goes out through this holes, and from there the dust particle has collected in this container, and this net is there because the air. Yeah. That net filters the air. That's all in my project. Thank you.